So back on the 16 valve tailgate boot, whatever you want to call it. Got my patch panel. Just going to trim that excess off now and start hopefully making it to fit and sort this hole out, this corner. Already in the ballpark, but as you can see, get this excess cut off. It's all welded underneath. Keep you updated. So guys, it looks like we're getting somewhere. Cut off the excess of this panel. It's fitting alright there, although I'm not probably going to use all of this. It's still probably going to be a little bit smaller when it's finished, but this side's not laying as nice as I'd like it, so I'm probably going to put a relief cut in here, get this to come round a little bit more so it's sat a bit more flush, and then start thinking about cleaning the excess off and seeing where I'm going to chop out to get this piece in. See if we can get a bit of rust protection inside there as well, and then see if we can get this panel welded in place. See how we crack on. So finally there, hole's all sealed up now. Not the prettiest of welds, but getting ground back anyway. I'll probably have to go over it again after this first pass of grinding, but it's took it out of me today. 3.5 to 4 hours getting that welded in place. Bearing in mind I had the patch made already. Yeah, but I'm happy. See if I can get a shot after I've ground it all back. But yeah, I'm liking it. It's functional. It's going to do the job. So other areas to get sorted. This bit as well to finish off. And I'm undecided with this side. Yeah, I may patch it. I might just clean it up and see what it looks like first. But yeah, anyhow, get to grinding this back. It's took it out of me, so get this done, and then see what we can do for the rest of it. This was my original masking tape template that I nicked that idea off Dave's garage. He uses that method quite a lot and it helped out with this one, so thanks Dave. Some other techniques from other YouTubers that I've used as well, but on this this occasion, that was the main one. But yeah, yeah, it's in there, waffling now. Catch up soon. So, all ground back now. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Got some rust protection paint on there now. Body fill will do the rest when I get around to it. But yeah, I'm happy. There's no hole there anymore. So, job's a goodie. Welder's been great again. It's a 220 volt. Does both MIG, gas and gasless. I've been doing the flux core today. As you can see, there's no bottle. So, yeah, I've been definitely getting me practicing. It seems to be working out not too bad, if I do say so myself. So until next time, yeah, what is it? Made a torch be with you. Catch up soon. So there we are, bit of rust protection paint. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. Catch up soon.